So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background from the videos, even if your video does not even contain, some of the green screen effects or anything. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same step from a smartphones as well, and it's totally free. Now, here you have to search for unscreen.com. You can see a basic URL over there. Just simply go to this website, and let's wait for the site to respond. Here you can see the sample as well, how this site's gonna work. You can directly gonna get the transparent video, or you can add some background to it if you want. Now just simply hit this icon of upload clip. Once you click over there, all you need to do is to just simply browse through your window and upload the video file of which you want to remove the background, and in some couple of minutes it will gonna remove that background for you for free. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.